friends, today I will about Unit 2 step-by-step activity 1. Take a square sheet of paper, fold it along the middle horizontal. Your then fold it again vertically a sound. You get a fold square. Now fold one of the flaps backwards. Fold the remaining in their flaps a sound. Now you get a triangle. Put your fingers inside the triangle to make a cap. Now you make all 2 ends of the cap meet. Careful pull the press pull the flaps of outwards. Press them sidewards. Your boat is ready. Thank you.